I made chocolate chip pecan cookies. Cut up some pecans. And I'm just gonna mix everything, and then I'm gonna cover it and put it in the fridge and let it stiffen up. Got me these hats and these Christmas what's the name, so I'm gonna try and make some cookie shapes. So we gonna see, we about to see, y'all. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, because I just really want to put the cookies in here and cook them like that. You know how they got those round little cookie things that I've been seeing? So I don't want to just cut them, but I just want to cook them in here. Really. I just want to lay them in here, actually. I'm finna see. I'm about to see how it's going to work. Let's try it out. Push them in here. I'll do the ornament first. I don't think that's gonna work. I don't know. Okay, y'all give me a break. Give me a minute. Listen, these cookies done piss me off. Look at my cookies. Just a pile of bullshit. Alright guys, so some of the cookies done. The other ones, y'all know I showed you those. Yeah, a mess. They good, but I just want to decorate some of my cake cookies. With some sprinkles, some trees. Oh my God. Oh, whatever. Do y'all see this stupid? Y'all know I've been having a time with these cookies. I have had a time. You know what? Forget it. Listen, when I start doing something and it mess up as far as cooking, like this has really, look, do y'all see my cookies? Do you see them? They good, but they a mess. Like, I'm just over it. Like, I wanted to do some stuff like this. It looked like it's homemade. You thought you was gonna be
Martha? Martha, y'all. It's okay.
All right, guys. I'm done with these ugly ass cookies.
Oh, Glenda gonna be so tickled when she washes back.
Just ugly as hell. All right. All right, guys. I am done with my cookies. These, oh well. And these turned out pretty good. I just had enough icing for the top. These 6, and that's it. But they are good.